Hi everyone. So in today's video we are visiting at Runwal My City residential project located in Dombivali, Mumbai. So this is the main access road towards the project site. And here in front you can see the main connecting road. So this is Kalyan Shil Road. And now we have reached at the project site, and here in front you can see the building of Ryan International School, which is the part of this township project. And there you can see the towers of Blossom City. So this is the internal road. And that's the commercial space. And now we will give you a tour of the township. And here on the left hand side we have the Runwal Gardens. And here to my right hand side you can take the view of ongoing construction work. The digging work is going on. And on the other hand, that's the phase 4 of Runwal Gardens. The plinth work is going on. So guys, in this video we have showed you the construction update of Runwal My City. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching.